So negative indices. So when if we want to develop the negative indices law, it is also similar type, but let's elaborate it. Now 5 raised to 0 divided by 5 raised to 3. It's like this: 1 divided by 5 raised to 3, or you can write it 5 raised to negative 3, because uh, it's like this: 0 minus 3. So it's just a 0 minus 3, you will get minus 3. So here you can note uh, in a negative indices what we will get now. So it's for the law for this, uh, of course, what why we are getting the 1. So it's like this now: 5 raised to uh, 0, it's a 1. Every positive number with power 0, it's 1. But don't think about 0. So 5 raised to negative 3, so it's 1 divided by 5 raised to 3. In a general law for this, it's like this. For some kind of a rule, you can think for this is like this: when we have a negative indices, a raised to minus n, a is some number with a power minus n, so it's just a 1 divided by a raised to n, because a is some number and n is also some positive number. So a positive number will be good for this, no? To understand it first. So let's do some example, no? Example 6.4, what it says, example question, write these are fractions, these in a fraction. Write these in a fractions. So some kind of a division form like this: a divided by b, or a divided by b, where b is not equals to 0. So we have a part a, it's saying 6 raised to uh, negative 2. So for this you can write it like 1 raised to 6 minus 2. So it's when in a fractional form, yeah, so it's a positive 6 raised to 2, positive. So 6 raised to 2, it's 36. In a part b, 16 minus 1, 16 raised to negative 1. So for solution for this is like 1 divided by 16 raised to 1, or 1 divided by 16. We have a part C. What the part C says: n raised to negative 3. So solution for this is 1 divided by n raised to 3, or you can write it like n raised to negative 3. So we have a part D. So let's do the part D. Part D, what the part D says, no? 1 divided by 4 minus 2. So when we have a 1 divided by 4 and raised to minus 2, first let's solve the bracket form here first. So 4 raised to minus 1, you can also write it like this, no? So because when we have no power, we can also we have a one power, one indices. So it will also, when it will go as a numerator, you will change the index, so it's a negative. So the rule for this is minus 1 into minus 2, it's like a negative into negative, it's a positive. You will get 4 raised to 2, or 4 raised to 2, it's a 8. Oh, sorry, it's 16. In a fractional form, it's like this, and so this is simple. Let's do some exercise questions. We have exercise 7.4, question number 1. What it says: write each of these as an integer, or a fractions. Given you two options: as an integer you have to write, or the as in a fractional form, as a fraction. We have a part A. It says what? 6 raised to minus 1. Part B, what it says? Minus 1. Minus 1. It's just a 1 raised to minus 5. Part C. And part C, it says 10 raised to minus 3. So 6 raised to negative 1 in a fractional form, you can write it like this: 1 divided by 6 raised to 1, or 1 raised to 6. When solution for this is like a 1 raised to 1 divided by 1 raised to 5, it's like a this. When 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1, how much we will get? We'll just get a 1. So answer for this is the 1. So it's a fraction, it's a integer. So solution 10 raised to minus 3 is 1 divided by 10 raised to 3. It's a 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. It's like this. So you will get 1 divided by 1000. So let's do the question number 2. We have a question number 2. Write each of these as an integer or a fraction. It's also the same, but question might be a difference. you will you will you will get some practice, or if you're not doing some practice, you will see every time. 1 divided by 2 raised to negative 1. So how will solve this now? Simply 1 divided by 2, it's like a 2 raised to minus 1, and whole index is minus 1. So 2 raised to minus 1 into minus 1, you will get just minus 1 into minus 1, it's a positive 1. So it's just a 2 raised to 1, or 2. Next we have a solution. Part C, or it says 2 divided by 3, it's a minus 1. So the solution for this is 1. Uh, so you can also, let's do some other type. It's like this, no? 1 divided by 2 raised to 3. So you can write it like this. 1, when we change the sign of the division into a multiplication, we will reciprocal this, no? It will become a 3 by 2. So you will get 3 by 2. Or other way around, uh, when we change 3 by 2 here first, so we will give the power negative 1, you know? Because we can change it automatically, you know? So it will become reverse. So negative power minus 1. So negative power, negative indices into negative indices, you will get positive, na? So negative indices minus 1 into minus 1 index, you will get 3 by 2. Or other way around, there are also other, yeah. So let's do the uh, part E now. So the part E says 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 3. So solution for this, uh, you can also expand this minus 3, 2 raised to minus 3, 5 raised to minus 3. It's also, you can say is like this, now a divided by b, a divided by b power minus 1, you can write it a power minus n, b index minus n, n. So when this is index with the negative index, so when it will go in a numerator, you will change the index, b raised to n, a raised to n. So here is also similar type, na? When 2 will when 2 will go on in a denominator, you will change the power, 2 raised to let me correct it, 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. So 5 raised to 3, it's 1 into 25, and 2 raised to 3, it's just 8. 125 divided by 8. So similar exercise, we have a question number 3 is evaluate these. Exercise might be a 7.4. It's a exercise 7.4. Evaluate these. So we have a part A where it says 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to negative 3. So bases are same, you can add them, na? 4 minus. So here we have a negative 3. So you get 3 raised to 1. B, 6 raised to 8 into 6 raised to negative 6. The solution for this is 6 raised to 8, negative 6. So 6 raised to 2, it's just 36. 3 raised to 1, it's become a just